Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by WBD King.
Wow, what's it?
It's the Godfather.
Yeah, out of the
Yeah. Just a
Hey,
straight from the royal family.
Yeah, go
Yeah,
judge. Yeah, what am judge Bulbatra? Yeah, Steve Warren Fanagit.
Kimnat, man.
Yeah, I know. Steve, what a game.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. One game get so Steve, ne?
Sure, man.
When you get the player one of Mukoko, that character of Mukoko. Yeah, that game, no. Yes,
Yeah.
So Steve, what a game.
Top king.
One of our league na this Steve. But league at the Fativo,
Yeah, Babu guy.
yeah, but this time of the season now.
Yes.
Yeah, when the game comes to the end.
Down to the wire.
Yes, Wabon.
Yeah.
Mara, we all know, Wabon, or this Betway, ne?
Yeah, go guy.
Yeah, we all know.
Yeah, go guy.
We all know. Yeah, we all know.
Yeah, go Orlando Amstel Arena.
Wabon, we all know.
Yeah, go Orlando Amstel Arena.
Oh. Skia sena
Kibona chemena tsuwa
what's on no
kutuza kasoweto phela into engayazi kama sephokothelo
skia sena ne
mara ngathi kwathile raje
no bengifuna ukulayitha bengifuna ukulayitha
Steve bona
no baba Sithibo unesibindi
hayi manje Steve masikhulume ecala Steve wona skia lesi kahle lo muntu wanika leskia lesi uFIFA Pirates yabona bafuna unginikela ukuthi hayi leskia kahle iskia se Betway
sure
yeah ukuthi hayi uthi sekivapile yena
yeah
uthi kivapile ukuthi leskia vele uthi sekusundowns yabona
yeah
manje mina ngithi hayi no wabona Steve
utlasipa masandowns
masikhuluma ngendaba ye game Steve bona
ngifata ngibuze kancane iskia siphetho wena mfowethu se Betway
Eskia
mshubo ngithi ngibona ungacacisi ukuthi ngibona ungacacisi lokukhuluma ukuthi manje isikhiye sesiphetho wena
bona isandazi
usho uzongishayela iSundowns njengesikhiyesi phetho wena
sana sengiyakhulula manje sengicelile sana sengiyakhulula manje ukuthi hayi no
akayinga
ya uqale phansi once sanansi lento yaye lapha emele yekhona siqale futhi phansi ngabutsha wabona start from the fresh wabona ngoba mawukabeka ne I'm sure last time Pirates Ejia League wabona I'm sure Rele Mufukeni was still grade 1 or grade R.
Which year? Preschool. Which year?
Sizoba yini ezweni
akasazi
Pirates finale
I think
Mufukeni wasala grade R.
ngizawujetsa nani ke naleboka
ina 14 years imaus between me between mina naye ubani ogcina ukuthatha iligi
imi obviously ne Baxter wena ugcine wena ngobani coach nini
ngigcine ngo-Precious
nini
I was 12
bona 12
bengina 12 shit
yo bona 12 years
manje uzoyithatha le Betway
amara ngisona straight namanje ne bona namanje bayancenga bathi bosupporta lapha ePitori wabona bafowethu thina sine support enough bonke beka bona ama Chiefs so as Pirates aswadingi to support wabona so asidingi support yabo Steve wabona thina right wabona yeah so Steve rona isimakhosi nation ne all our remaining games ne we are going to the party we are just going to enjoy ourselves wabona we are just going to the play a we're not even under pressure because we know what wabona angabaleki ungabaleki Steve wabona Steve ne bona wabona bana wari bula ka the movie ne yeah cinema agro wala cinema Steve ne ona le into le babujar ne this season ne this thing comes to the end.
Yes, leader.
But the next season also we are going to look the same movie. Marnova Sebai,
Yeah.
So Rona Chiefs from number 9 last season. Now to number 3.
Improve.
So we're gonna see the improvement.
Yeah.
So when I get over from last season, they were
Number
in which
2.
position? Number 2. And now
Number 1.
No, number man.
No, number 1.
Godfather.
No, but now
one
we
man.
just holding the umbrella there.
Godfather.
Like this thing. The umbrella. When you wearing something like this,
Godfather.
like the way they're wearing this thing. Number 1 is a few ones.
Godfather.
Washa never survive.
And the Sundowns, ne? What did you like? Oh, Mustibo. Sundowns will give it if you get me when I win today. One of them I win. When you at least be munat. Even sharp. What will you hope? But hey, it's a tart. Yes, it's a tart.
angithi thina sesiyothenga ishampeni
Yeah.
mabeyohlala ne-Sundowns njengathi singayi estadium sobe amabhakaneka ufuna wawona yoreka champagne soyifaka efrijini thina siyocelebrate ngelast game yethu ku-Orbit College.
For you, man. Celebrate for you. For what? For celebrate for what?
Mark this words.
For
Mark
celebrate
this
for
words.
what?
Thina manodlala ne-Sundowns
That's a joy.
thina siyothenga ama-champagne sofaka efrijini.
Let's enjoy the Stibo.
Kanti bona abathembi laba.
Oh, no, that's right.
Thank you, leader. Thank you, leader.